Hi team, it's Josh. This summer I decided to get into making YouTube videos, something that I've really wanted to do for some time. To get started, I knew that I needed to get a lens that was really good for vlogging, walking while filming, because I wanted to get outside, explore New York City in the beautiful summer and share those experiences with you. Several YouTubers I was learning a lot from and were really inspiring me strongly recommended this lens, the Sony E-mount f4 18-105mm lens. They were recommending it as the best all-round vlogging lens. Now initially, I really didn't like the lens. I found it heavy and bulky and was somewhat negating the point of having a very small camera to begin with, the Sony a6-400. In fact, I actually found the picture quality somewhat similar to this little lens, which is the kit lens that the camera came with to begin with. So why keep it? And then, through testing, I discovered two very unique benefits. The first is that not all optical steady shot, the lens technology that Sony uses to stabilize their lenses so you don't get a jerky image while walking, is created equal. In my hands-on research to find the most stabilized lens for my camera, I went to multiple stores and tried multiple models. In fact, I tried different units of the same model just to take out variance. I found that there was noticeable difference in the stabilization between the models. Let me roll these clips of the 18-105, the kit lens, and I threw in a couple of other lenses like the Sigma 16 f1.4 that I'm filming on now, plus the Sony f2.8, just for comparison. Check it out.
This is my Sigma 16. There's the Sigma 16 compared to the ones before. There's the Sigma 16. Here we are back on the kit lens. Here we are back on the kit lens. Here we are back on the kit lens. Here's the Sony 18-105 f4. Really clear. Let's have a look as we move around. Check out the autofocus. Yes, this is the Sony 18-105. There's the Sony 18-105. This is my Sigma lens just to control. This is my Sigma lens just for control. So this is a test of the Sony E2.8 16 lens. This is a test of the Sony E2.8 16 lens. Here's the kit lens. So here's my original kit lens. Here's my original kit lens. So this is the 18-105. This is the 18-105. 18-105. It's the 18-105.
Remarkable. Did you see the different jolting between the lenses? In my eyes, the Sony 18-105 was definitely the smoothest. Now, I promised you guys a second reason to get the Sony 18-105 over the kit lens, and that's that you can screw on filters to the Sony 18-105, which you can't do on the kit lens. So if you're out in a beautiful bright day and you want to cut some of that glare, you can get a polarizer. If you want that shallow depth of field effect that you see in this video right now where I'm in focus and the background isn't, and it's a bright sunny day, you can get an ND filter for that lens. So I believe that lens really lets you expand your abilities in cinematography and photography. That's it for me, folks. If you like this video and you want to see more, smash that subscribe button down below, click the notification bell. I'd love to hear from you, so if you've got questions, put them in the comments below. Plus, I mentioned those other YouTubers that I was learning a lot from. I'll chuck their links in the description below. Till next time, catch you later.